There's no air about her. There's nothing. I mean, she's a huge star. I've been a huge fan of Jani. She's always smiling. Such a positive person.
Hi Sunny, welcome to Box
Hi,
Office
Ananya.
India. How are you
Thank you.
today?
Thank you for having me. Very good. How are you today?
I'm also good. So, how has the lockdown been for you?
Just as for everyone, yeah, it's frankly, but towards the end of it, it got a bit boring.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then music video came to my rescue.
Yeah, it
You
came to
know,
all of us rescue, I guess.
rescue. How sweet, right? Yeah.
So coming to Taluka Share, the song has crossed 25 millions. It was trending on number one. How do you feel
Yeah.
about that?
Oh, I feel huge. Matlab, I haven't sung the song, but I somewhere feel I have because
Wow.
I've just frankly, I've just featured in the song because I wanted to be a part of a music video, and I heard the song. It was great. Bhushan sir called me. We had a meeting, so everything fell into place like that. But no, it's getting a lot of love for the song. People are loving it, and posting it, reposting it. A lot of messages I've been getting. So yeah, it's been quite a nice experience.
That's good to know. So
Quite
this is
grateful,
also
I must
your
say. Thank you.
It's also your debut in a song, like a single. So,
Yeah,
what made
yeah.
you say yes to it?
I said yes because first of all, the reason was I was really itching to work after
Yeah.
6 months of lockdown, and this is the first thing that came my way. And plus, I've been a huge fan of Jani as a writer. I think he's done splendid work in the Punjabi industry, and now he's coming into Bollywood and
Yeah.
Hindi songs. And plus, he composed and gave the music for this song as well. So that was an added advantage. And then there was Neha Kakkar, there was Zubin Nautiyal, great artists. Huge respect to them.
Yeah.
So yeah, everything fell into place. I love the concept and been a huge fan of Arvinder Khera as well, the director. So, and there was a lot to perform in the song. It just wasn't like, just song and
Yeah.
dance and romantic. There was a
True.
proper story, proper performance. So I thought it's a great opportunity for me to explore this here. So I went ahead with it.
Totally love the video, totally love the story.
Thank you.
But
Thank you.
what people are loving more than that is your look. I mean, I think this
Yeah.
is the first time we're seeing you in that look. How
Yeah.
long did it take you to grow that beard?
Beard I have been growing since last year, so I keep trimming. This was actually for a film, Shiddat.
Okay.
So during the lockdown also, I just continued. I like myself in beard. I don't like
Yeah.
myself without the beard.
Okay.
I like myself
Okay.
in that. So hence I kept the beard, and then I didn't cut my hair because I didn't trust any of my folks at home to cut my hair. So I was just growing it for 6 months, and it fell into place.
Yeah.
The character also needed to be a little
Yeah.
out there, a bit goonish.
Yeah.
So
Suits you, I think. I think it suits
Thank
you.
you.
So, obviously you're working with Neha also. How is that experience? Like the whole choreography, the acting, how's the vibe on the sets with Neha?
Oh, very good. She's such a sweet and she's always smiling, such a positive person. And you always, and I feel after coming back on set after 6 months and, so much is
Yeah.
happening and people are a little down, you need positive people around you to pick you
Yeah.
up. So I think it was great working with her and she's a natural performer in front of the camera. I mean, I think the way she performed is for everyone to see, and there were some really nice emotional bits in the song and the choreography and everything. And yeah, we gelled really well on the first day, which was great because we had only 2 days to shoot. So so yeah, so it was great working with her. Yeah, it was a very very pleasant experience.
So when you have 2 days to shoot, as you said, and you
Yeah.
have to, have that kind of chemistry which everyone can see and is loving, how do you, get that? How do you, make that chemistry look good on the screen?
I think the easiest way is to just become friends right off the bat.
Okay.
I remember I met her and we just kind of clicked really well. So we started talking, and we started to shoot with the car bits where we are driving.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we were just there in
Yeah.
that space. So we kept talking as well amongst each others about our life story and everything. So I think that kind of broke the ice a lot. And plus there was a lot of heat, you know. So we were kind of gelling over that also. कि अरे बड़ी गर्मी लग रही है, तो पंखा चला दो, and all that stuff. So, and like I said, she's a very easy person to talk to
Yeah.
and to gel with. You know, there's no air about her. There's nothing. I mean, she's a huge star, and we all know where she's come from and where she is today.
Yeah.
But there's no air. There was nothing. So it's quite easy for us to crack that chemistry.
Nice. So, my last question would be, what would you say was your favorite memory that you will always cherish from the sets of the song?
My favorite memory that I will always cherish would be, first of all, driving that lovely car,
Oh wow.
that vintage car.
Yeah.
I don't know what car, what model that was, but oof, that
Yeah.
it was a. I love driving. So when I got to drive that car, I was like, I just kept taking rounds saying that, no, I need to practice more. I need to practice more. So it was that, and then just I would say it's just a lovely experience, the experience of everyone coming together to create this video in such a short span of time. You know, we had 2 days, lots to
Yeah.
do. It's like a proper story. So nobody is cribbing. We were working for a lot of hours, and everybody was tired and this that, but everybody kept smiling. So it was just what I take is that first thing I did after the lockdown, which was and it was such a positive experience,
Yeah.
and the video has done so well. So all in all, it was just a great experience.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
such nice answer. Thank you for your time.
Thank-
Good luck for your
Thank you,
future
Anna.
project.
Thank you for such amazing questions. I don't feel that I repeated anything at all. Just by the way, it's very good.
Yeah,
Thank
but
you.
you found my questions weird, so.
No, just one, and that was just to get back at you.
It's okay. Great. Thank you so much for your such a lovely
Thank
time.
you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. You too. Bye.